Hello, folks. This is a short tutorial showing you how to include your math work on a virtual assessment. It is going to be important and required that you have a way to show your work and your computations. And so here are a couple ways that you can do that. In a Google Doc assessment, you can actually type your work. It is a little more time consuming, but it can be done. You can go to insert special characters to find math symbols that you need, such as the division symbol or any other symbol that you need, and you can insert those where needed. Since we are talking about surface area and volume, you know that for area, the unit is squared, and for volume, the units are cubed. So instead of writing that out for squared, you can use the exponent 2. For volume, you can use the exponent of 3 with your unit. The way you do that is you highlight the number 2 or 3, you go to format, and you can pick superscript. Superscript will put that little number in the air like an exponent. The shortcut to that would be command and period. So highlight the number and then hit the command and period sign at the same time, and that will put that number in the air like an exponent as well. You can also add a picture of your work using Google Docs so that you would do your work or your calculations on your own paper. You would make sure that it's clear, neat, and easy to read, very organized. You would take a very clear picture of your work, either with your Chromebook or your camera on your phone. Make sure that there's enough lighting, it's not too dim. Make sure that it's not too far away, that anyone looking at the picture can see all your work. So even if you take a picture and you check it and it's not very clear, then trash it and take a new one before you submit. You're going to insert that picture into a Google Doc. This allows your teacher to give you some feedback. So if it's on a Google Doc, we can make some comments and give you feedback on what you are doing wrong and where your errors are. Again, make sure it's clear and easy to read. Check the sharing permissions. It should be anyone with a link can view, or anyone in Franklin Public Schools can view, and then insert that link into your assessment. You can also scan a picture or a PDF. If you have your own scanner, again, you're going to do all your work neat and easy to read on paper. You're going to scan that paper with your scanner, either at home, or there are different apps or scanner apps you can get for your phone, or there is, if you have an iPhone, the Notes app can be used as a scanner. If you are getting this presentation live besides the video, you can click on this link to another video that explains how to do that. So then insert the picture into a Google Doc. Again, this will make it easier for us to give you comments. Make sure the picture that you scan is neat and easy to read. Check the sharing permissions and then insert that link. And finally, you might take an assessment on a Google form, and there might be a spot for you to upload or add the file. So if this would be the form, the question, it might say add the file. Again, you would take the picture or do the Google Doc, and you would just put the link right in here. You would add the file right here so that we could check it. Just to show you, I have scanned a document. Here it is as a PDF, and I also took a picture, which is right here. So I would open a new document, and then I would use Insert, Image from Drive. Since it was recent, it pops up right here. I would just drag this over here. This is my PDF. So here it is, nice and neat and easy to read. I would check my sharing permissions. I would make sure the document's appropriately labeled. This is anyone with Franklin Public Schools can view. That's perfect. I can copy that link. I could also change that to anyone with a link can view. So I changed it right here to anyone with a link can view. Same thing, copy the link, and then I would paste that into my assessment. Again, do not send it as an email to your teacher. Include it right on the assessment. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher, but just remember, we do need to see your work and your calculations on all assessments, and